going to be showing you the routine to let out all the animals. So let's get to it. So first I walk out to the chicken coop. Sometimes some chickens are out. Sorry if the wind's a little heavy in the microphone. It's kind of windy out today. But I'll just go out there and let them out. And looks like they actually got out of their actual pen. They are really wanting to get out of there, so I'll just get that done and that's our whole. Sorry if the filming's bad. One hand doing all of it. And I'll just throw that in. And then I got to get probably another full one. Me oh my. Hello, Gypsy. The morning greet. Alright, and then I just go ahead and open this gate up. See how we're gonna do that. There we go. Her hen got in. She can eat when she wants. Okay. Okay, now it's the fun part. So just put that there. And then twist the handle. And they all come pouring out. And then the breeze of the snow, even though I cleaned it out last weekend, I will have to do that again. Guys, you missed all the food. Okay. And then I dump about a little more than a half, that much. Go eat! There you go. And I'll collect eggs later on. And she's in here because she is getting beat up. So it's sticking in there. And she will eat. She probably needs to lay. One more morning layers. As you can see, she's got no tail feathers. That's really bad. There's Big Turkey. I don't think I've shown you him yet. We actually got a baby and him, or her, I think it's a him, earlier in the summer, and now he's grown and getting ginormous. And really annoying too, so he's like, if you have food, I'll take it, you know? Oh, that sounds great. Okay, it's time for the goats, and everyone who usually watches this, I haven't posted a farm video in a long time, and I do have a baby goat now, one of my goats. Unknowingly had a baby, so when we got her, she was pregnant apparently, and just how that laid out. We do have a walk because, oh my gosh, they're like actual kids. They do like everything they possibly can get. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of food you guys use for your goats. We're just trying foods out. This is what we're at right now. So, it is muddy back here. Did it rain last night? Okay, and then Clover and Fern usually get usually get, oh, they ripped it. Yeah, I'll have to get a new bin then. Get about half that much in their bin, and they'll end up sharing that. And then dump Buckley's out. He likes to leave gunk in that thing. I'll scoot Buckley's over to the wall here and dump that. He gets the other half. Maybe they get, why do 2 goats share the same amount of food as 1 goat? Well, it just depends on how big they are, I guess, and how much food they need. But I just give that for fun, just to give them a little more, like, hay is just boring to just feed by itself, so got grain and treats and all that, so okay. So Buckley is different, so we'll just Clover, no. Thank you. Okay, as you can see, he's ginormous. Color change too, and his head's kind of scabby too. Go in there, and he happily gets his food. He gets picked on, so he gets back here, and that lays out. And then Fern and Clover get put together. And Clover's not happy. Sometimes he's like, "Hi, Judy." I just cleaned this out too before we went up north. Come on, Fern. Come on. You guys know where to go. Oh, is it closed? Come on, Fern. And she'll come in there, and then they'll share. And then it's time for the real job. Delilah and Nova. So I'll put everyone's water once I'm done with this. So I just scoot that out with my foot. And then they share that. Put that in the food bin in a second. And then they get released. There's baby Delilah. If you guys want, I can do a video on her and how it all happened and all that. But yep, there she is. Flies haven't been bad lately, so I haven't been spraying over any fly spray. But my dad built this. They all have their own little stall now because they're so whatever the word is. They just need everything they can get. It's like a new project every other week. My dad doesn't seem very happy about that every time I tell him the goats need something else. You know. There's Mama. She now has an udder, and that was her first baby. So that works. And then I just propped this door open because they'll get behind it and then push it closed, and then there'll be bay all throughout the day. So, and then we have this gate here now instead of just the door being closed. It was a hot summer, so took it onto that, and then can't close it or open it. Gypsy must be thirsty. Okay, and then we put this back. So, like, you can see the difference from our food. right here. We had that one first, but then we moved that one. So, okay, and now it's time for hay. So, I usually go around every other night with these bags and just collect any hay that they didn't take because I don't want any of that going to waste. So, I'm going to put you guys down real quick and chuck them some hay. Alright, so I had to get that set up. Oh yeah. I think the biggest mess in the entire world is doing it. I'm going to chuck them there. And then this one right here goes to Buckley. We had to raise the fencing up because Clover and Buckley and Fern, I'm guessing now, can all jump in, but Clover is the main problem. And we live on a main road, so that's not very good. So I'm going to keep you guys there while I do the waters. You be good. Don't make me have to do a lot of work. You know what? I'll give you one more thing to distract you while I do this. I'll give you all a little teeny tiny piece. There's no latch on the other side of that gate, so I'm always having to hold it while Clover pushes his head through it. So, there's another project. Nope. Okay. So now they all have water and food and hay and all that. And now all I do is chill unless I decide to run them around the yard, which is pretty fun. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. And then I give the chickens water. I didn't give them water last night, which is what I usually do, so I'll have to give them that this morning. So, after that, I'll be done. So, that's it for today's video. So, if you guys liked it, please subscribe, comment, and like. And thanks for watching.